Klover reviews on Reddit usually focus on three areas: whether users find the app helpful, how the experience compares with expectations, and how people feel about using it for short-term financial needs. By the end, you will know how to read Klover Reddit reviews properly, which comments are useful, and what questions to ask before deciding if the app is right for you. The first thing to understand is that Reddit reviews are personal experiences. One user's experience does not represent every Klover customer, so the goal is to look for repeated patterns across different discussions. The first area to check is the overall app experience. Users often discuss how easy an app is to understand, how simple the process feels, and whether the service matches what they expected. When reading reviews, look for comments that explain what happened instead of short comments with no details. The second area is reliability and communication. Reviews can show how users feel when they have questions, run into problems, or need help understanding something. Pay attention to repeated comments about support, explanations, and whether users felt informed during the process. The third area is expectations. Many complaints about financial apps come from a difference between what someone expected and what the service actually provides. Before making a decision, compare Reddit comments with the information available directly from Klover. A useful way to evaluate Klover reviews is to separate comments into three groups. Positive reviews can show what users appreciate. Negative reviews can reveal possible problems. Neutral reviews often provide the most practical details because they explain what happened without focusing only on emotion. You should also check the date of reviews you read. Older discussions may describe a different app experience than newer comments, so recent feedback is usually more useful when researching current features and service quality. The main points are simple. First, Reddit reviews show individual experiences, not guaranteed results. Second, repeated comments are more valuable than isolated opinions. Third, always compare user feedback with official information before making a decision. Your next step is to read several recent Klover discussions and make a list of the benefits and concerns that appear more than once. If this guide helped you understand how to research financial apps, subscribe for more clear app reviews and practical guides.